Morning, my dear students. So welcome back to online webinar classes. Today we are going to discussing about the continuum of hypothalamus hormones. So this board is visible, ma? My voice audible to visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you, ma. So today I am going to discussing about continued topic of hypothalamic hormones. So hypothalamic hormones. Yesterday we discussed these hypothalamic hormones. Hypothalamic hormones. These hypothalamic hormones, the hypothalamus, hypo means which is present a lower portion of the brain, which is present below of the thalamus. So the one gland which is attachment with this hypothalamus, that is pituitary gland. So these hypothalamic hormones are called neurohormones. Neurohormones. Why it is neurohormones means because of it contains so many neurosecretory cells. The hormones which are secreted from the neurons, neurosecretory cells. So that's why that releasing hormones and inhibitory hormones and different hormones are secreted from this hypothalamus. Mainly, see, five releasing hormones are there. By releasing hormones, remaining two, okay, direct hormones are which are secreted from the hypothalamus. What are those? Come on, tell me. Anyone can say? Jyoti Reddy, Pallavi. What are those? Yesterday we discussed, right? One is GHRH, growth hormone or growth hormone. Next one,
TRH.
thyroid releasing hormone. Next one, GnRH. Okay. Next, what one? So PRH. Okay. Next, CRH. Okay, CRH. Next, okay, GHRH, TRH. What ma?
ADH. ADH.
Oh. So ADH and
Oxytocin.
oxytocin. These are the 5 plus 2 hormones are secreted from the hypothalamus. This will asking long question. What is hypothalamic hormones? To describe the hypothalamus hormones, we'll asking 20 marks question. That means 15 marks question. We'll asking. This is very important for general. Our COVID-19 paper is different. Okay. So yesterday we discussed just briefly growth hormone. These growth hormone secreted from what happened? Hypothalamus. Hypothalamus. Okay. And hypothalamus GH released functioning on anterior lobe or pars tuberolis or adenohypophysis of pituitary gland. What? Anterior lobe or adenohypophysis or what? So that means pars tuberolis of pituitary gland. From these, in the influence of growth releasing hormone, so here growth hormone is secreted. Growth hormone is secreted. So these growth hormone which is functioning on targets like that is what not bones and muscles. Bones and muscles we are discussed yesterday so far, right? So this is important about the GHRH. And one more important thing, already we discussed, right? So the GHRH already we discussed yesterday so far. So that is GHRIH. That means growth hormone releasing inhibitory hormone or growth hormone inhibitory hormone. That means there is growth hormone releasing hormone which is what I mean inhibited by growth inhibitory hormone, which is you know very well certain age, the people's the children which are reached to certain age like teenage, 13, the growing age is called you know very well from newborn baby to 19th age, 19 years old. So newborn age to the bones and muscles which are to grow at age like teenage. Okay. After teenage, after 19 and 20, the person which is enters into 20 years age, they're unable to grow because of the growth which growth hormone should not release in that day, that days. Okay, that age. So that should be inhibited by growth inhibitory hormone. That is clear. Next one. Okay. Next, we discussed it already yesterday. Thyroid releasing hormone. Thyroid releasing hormone, same. So, which is also the thyroid releasing hormone also, it is secreted from whatever target, it is secreted from hypothalamus, okay, and target organs, which is functioning on whatever anterior lobe or adenohypophysis. So, it is functioning on this from this one. TRH is secreted. This TRH, which is functioning on anterior lobe or adenohypophysis, okay, past tuberous of what now? Pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, right? So this TRH which is functioning on pituitary gland, okay, which is functioning on pituitary gland, and in the influence of TRH, hypothalamic TRH, which is functioning on this one, and to release, to secretes which hormone? Thyroid stimulating. Okay, without the TRH is not there. TRH is not secreted from hypothalamus. What happened? The TSH is not secreted. The TSH is not secreted from the pituitary gland. What happened? Okay, now TSH is not there. Thyroid stimulating is not there. Okay, if it is this thyroid stimulating hormone which is functioning on where? You know very well. You know very well. Already we discussed it yesterday. Okay. So this thyroid gland should not growth and development express. Thyroid gland should not development express. Okay. The thyroid stimulating hormone which is functioning on thyroid gland, in the influence of thyroid stimulating hormone from thyroid gland, okay now, thyroxine should be produced. Thyroxine should be produced. Okay now. So this is very, very important. The thyroxine which is responsible for so far, okay, so which is development of visceral organs, growth and development of visceral organs, to control the BMR rate, to control the respiratory rate, to control the body temperature. Everything should be under control of the thyroxine. Okay, now. So this is very, very important. We'll discussing about in our topic, detailed topic is there. We'll discussing about there. This is the important about thyroid releasing hormone. Right. Next one, GnRH. Okay. Next one, what ma? GnRH. Yesterday we discussed these two hormones so far. So GnRH we will be discussing today. GnRH. These GnRH. Okay. These GnRH. Okay. Secreted from. That means secretion. Secretion. It is secretion from hypothalamus. It is secreted from what ma? GnRH means what? The full form. Gonado releasing hormone. What ma? Gonado releasing hormone. That is very, very important. Right? So what ma? GnRH means what? Okay. Joshan, what is GnRH?
Gonado releasing hormone, sir.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Joshan. Thank you very much. So, gonadal releasing hormone. So, it is secreted from hypothalamus. It is secreted from what ma? Epinephrine secreted from hypothalamus. Right. Next, target organ. Target organ. So, these releasing hormone, which is functioning on where? It is mainly functioning on, okay. See, adeno anterior lobe or adenohypophysis of what happened? Pars tuberculosis of pituitary gland. It is functioning on target organ, what ma? Anterior lobe, adenohypophysis, okay, of that means what ma? Pars tuberculosis of pituitary gland, right? That is what very important. Next, function. Function. What is the function of GnRH? Mainly, it is functioning on anterior lobe or adenohypophysis pituitary and pars tuberculosis of pituitary gland. Pituitary gland. From this, okay, from this, what happened? From the anterior lobe or adenohypophysis or what happened? Pars tuberculosis of pituitary gland. Stimulation takes place first of all. In the influence of this GnRH, so stimulation takes place. And from this, what happened, ma? From this, in the influence of GnRH, okay, mainly, you know very well, okay, two hormones are secreted. One is FSH, second one is LH. One is FSH, second one is LH. Okay, so in the influence of GnRH, in the influence of GnRH, right? So if it is GnRH, in the influence of GnRH of hypothalamic hormones, which is presenting on anterior lobe or adenohypophysis or pars tuberculosis of the pituitary gland, from that gland, okay, two hormones are secreted. One is follicle stimulating hormone, second one is luteinizing hormone. Okay, follicle stimulating hormone. FSH means what, ma? Follicle stimulating hormone, and LH hormone to secreted from the anterior lobe in the influence of GnRH. You know very well FSH. What is mainly in the influence of FSH? We'll explain in detail later. The FSH, which is the to develop, which is responsible for, which is functioning on. You know very well, ovaries in what, ma? Ovaries in female. Ovaries in female. So testes, okay, in male. The FSH, which is functioning on ovaries and female and testes in female. So ovaries in female and testes in male, right? So LH, which is functioning on ovaries, which is functioning on what, ma? Ovaries. Especially for these FSH, which is responsible for, from the ovaries, estrogen should be secreted. Estrogen should be secreted in the influence of FSH. From the this FSH, which is functioning on testes, testosterone should be secreted. But ma? Testosterone should be secreted from the testes. This is what important about the GnRH. And from the ovaries, luteinizing hormone. Here, what happened? Progesterone. What, ma? Progesterone should be secreted from the, so in the influence of LH, mainly influence of hypothalamic hormones. This is what very, very important. Okay, once again I repeat the mechanism. What is the mechanism of this one? See, okay, hypothalamus, okay, then anterior lobe or adenohypophysis of pituitary gland, then FSH secreted, okay, LH secreted. FSH is functioning on ovaries and testes. Okay, ovaries, what happened, ma? Estrogen should be secreted, testes, testosterone should be secreted. Both are the ovaries, estrogen, which are responsible for the development of FRS, but female reproductive system, and which is responsible for the secondary sexual characters in female. Okay, whereas in what happened, ma? testes, testosterone also, which is development, which is responsible for the growth and development of the MRS. MRS means what, ma'am? Male reproductive system. We'll discussing about in detail. Our pituitary gland is there. We're discussing about there. Just you must write the outline about the what is the main important about GnRH. Okay. Next, LH. LH, which is responsible for the secretion of the progesterone. What is the function of progesterone? Right? That should be well discussing about that. This is the important about the GnRH. Okay, na? Gonado releasing hormone. I think may understood this topic. GnRH. All of you. Ma'am. Jofshan, Taslim, Namira, Jyoti Reddy, Ina Sultana, Allami, Manasa, Shiva. Okay, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, next next we will discussing about next we'll discussing see. So GRH completed, KRH completed, GnRH completed. Next, let's come into the point. PRH. 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 Okay. So this PRH, what I mean, PRH means prolactin releasing hormone. Prolactin releasing hormone. This PRH. Okay. It's secretion. Okay. So it is secreted from hypothalamus. It is secreted from hypothalamus and target organ same. What ma'am? Anterior lobe of or adenohypophysis of or pars tuberculosis of pituitary gland. So these are all glands, all hormones which are functioning on the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland, right? Next, function. Next function, what ma'am? The function of PRH. What happened now? To activate the anterior lobe of adenohypophysis of pituitary gland. From this, after activation or stimulation from these parts, what happened now? Which is the PRH which is responsible for the secretion of prolactin hormone from the anterior lobe of pituitary gland or pars tuberculosis of pituitary gland. So in the influence of PRH, if PRH is not secreted from the hypothalamus, prolactin is not secreted. That's very, very important. Okay, now that is process of prolactin. So that is what first function. The PRH is responsible for the prolactin which is secreted from the pituitary gland in the influence of PRH. This is very, very important. What is the prolactin important function? The prolactin which is responsible for
Milk production.
Huh?
Milk production in mama.
Very good, Pallavi. So this prolactin which is responsible for the production of milk, yes, which is responsible for what? Production of milk, yes. Thank you, Pallavi. Thank you very much for responding. So production of milk, which is responsible for prolactin. If remembering one thing, prolactin is not there, PRH is not there, what happened? So prolactin is not secreted from the pituitary gland. If the prolactin is not there, what happened now? The milk should not production. If the milk should not production, what happened? The baby should not, the mother should not give into the feeding to the baby. So the baby is going to suffering from the feeding problem. That is malnutrition problems. It is immediately, it is directly or indirectly interconnected to each other. The mother and baby and hormones. This is what very important. So what is mechanism? Come on, tell me. Mechanism, hypothalamus. Okay, you must write mechanism. What is mechanism? Right? Each and every one you must write. This is hypothalamus. Okay.
Hello.
This is hypothalamus. What happened, Amina?
Assalamualaikum.
Hello. Ma,
Khairat.
this is classroom. Okay. Amina, this is classroom, not personal room, beta. Hypothalamus, right? This hypothalamus mechanism of this pH. And from the hypothalamus, PRH is secreted. PRH is secreted. This PRH which is functioning on what now? Anterior lobe or adenohypophysis of pars duralis of pituitary gland. From this, in the influence of this, what happened? Prolactin is secreted. Prolactin is secreted. This prolactin which is functioning on target organ, that is breast gland. Breast gland. Breast gland. From this breast gland, what happened? Milk production. Milk production should be produced. This is the mechanism of what happened? PRH. Here, remember one thing. So note. Here note what happened? This PRH, which is inhibited by PRIH, prolactin releasing prolactin inhibitory hormone. Okay, right? So the prolactin releasing hormone inhibited by prolactin releasing inhibited hormone. Okay, so in which condition? For example, if it is the woman, the woman should not going to take any delivery. After delivery, like after that means after tubectomy, after family planning, what happened, ma? The mother should not require to giving the feeding to baby, right? That's why in that condition, what happened, ma? Permanently, the PRIH is secreted. The PRIH to inhibit the prolactin releasing hormone. That's why the milk should not production from the breast gland. That is very important about the PRIH. Prolactin releasing inhibitory hormone. It is also secreted from hypothalamus, right? That is very, very important. This is what completed. Next one, what is CRH? What ma? Next one, ma? CRH. Okay, this CRH means what? CRH means what, ma? Cortico releasing what I know? Hormone. Cortico releasing hormone. So it is secreted from secretion. Okay, it is secreted from what one? Hypothalamus. Secreted from hypothalamus. Okay, now target organ. What is the target organ of CRH? It is mainly the target organ anterior lobe or adenohypophysis or pars duralis of pituitary gland. Okay, this is what very important. Okay, now pituitary gland. Next, the function. So the CRH which is functioning on The CRH, that means cortico-releasing hormone, which is functioning on anterior lobe, adenohypophysis pituitary gland of pars tuberalis of pituitary gland. Okay, and to initiate, to stimulate. Okay, see. Okay, so the function mainly what happened from it is to stimulate the anterior lobe, and from this one the influence of CRH. Okay, so the CRH which is functioning, that's mainly from this what happened now, ACTH is secreted. ACTH is secreted from pars tuberalis or anterior lobe of adenohypophysis of pars tuberalis of pituitary gland. From this ACTH is secreted in the influence of CRH. In the influence of CRH. Okay, without CRH, the ACTH would not secrete it. That is very, very important. Okay, now. So ACTH means what? A means adreno. A means what, ma? Adreno. C means cortico. C means what, ma? Cortico. T means what, ma? Tropic. Tropic. H means what, ma? Hormone. H means what, ma? Hormone. So adrenocorticotropic hormone. So adrenocorticotropic hormone, which is releasing from the pituitary gland in the influence of CRH. Okay, that's very, very important. And what is the, after releasing of this ACTH, which is functioning on what? Where? It is functioning on, any idea?
Adrenal glands.
Very good, Taslim, very good, thank you, ma. Adrenal gland. So in the adrenal gland, which part?
Anterior part.
No. So in adrenal gland, which part? Two parts are there: cortex part and medulla part.
Cortex region.
Okay.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Shiva, too late.
Sir, sorry for disturbance. Board మీద కొంచెం clear visible అవ్వట్లేదు సార్, అది లైట్ లేనా లైట్.
Okay. పెద్దగా రాస్తుంది.
లో లైట్ వల్ల విజిబుల్ అవ్వట్లేదేమో సార్ అది.
Okay, Shiva, thank you. See, these cortex ACTH which is functioning on, what, ma? Mainly adrenal gland. Adrenal gland cortex is not medulla. Adrenal gland which contains two parts, ma. Adrenal gland which contains two parts. One is cortex, another one is medulla. One is cortex, another one is medulla. Right? So these ACTH which is functioning on cortex. These ACTH which is functioning on the cortex region, not medulla, right? From the cortex region, you know very well. I think you know mainly the cortex region which contains three zones are there. Zona glomerulosa,
Zona pellucida.
not pellucida.
Zona glomerulosa.
Zona reticularis. Zona fasciculata, zona reticularis. Okay, now these ACTH which is functioning at these three zones, and from these three zones, melanocorticoids, glucocorticoids, sex corticoids, these are the hormones which are completely secreted from the influence of ACTH. So these ACTH secretion from the pituitary gland in the influence of what? CRH. Very, very important. But if it without CRH, okay, there is no secretion of the ACTH from the pituitary gland. Without ACTH, what happened, ma'am? There is no secretion of the corticoid hormones. Whatever it may be melanocorticoids, whatever it may be glucocorticoids, whatever it may be sex corticoids. This is very, very important. We'll go to this is the function and mechanism. Mechanism of CRH. See, mechanism of CRH. The hypothalamus. Okay, then CRH, okay, then anterior lobe adenohypophysis, anterior lobe adenohypophysis, and pars pluralis of pituitary gland. Okay, then what happened, ma? ACTH is secreted. Then what happened, ma? Cortex region of the adrenal gland. AG means what, ma? Adrenal gland. Okay, from this region, in the influence of these hormones, what happened? What happened? So, you know very well, mineralocorticoids MC, glucocorticoids GC, and sex corticoids SC. Okay, mineralocorticoids MC, glucocorticoids what, ma? GC, sex corticoids SC. So, mineralocorticoids which are secreted from zone of glomerulosa, ZG, sorry, and GC zone of fasciculata. Okay, SC means what, ma? Zone of reticularis. This is an influence of the what happened, ma? This CRH, very important. Okay, now so hypothalamus, this CRH secreted from hypothalamus, which is function by pituitary gland. From pituitary gland, ACTH secreted in the influence of what, ma? ACTH. So this ACTH secretion in the influence of CRH, which is functioning on cortex of the adrenal gland. And the cortex region, all the zones are activated. That is zone of glomerulosa, zone of fasciculata, zone of reticularis. Zone of glomerulosa, mineralocorticoid secreted. Zone of fasciculata, glucocorticoid secreted. And zone of reticularis, the sex corticoid secreted. It will be discussing about in detail later. So this is about CRH, and two hormones are there, hypothalamic hormones. That is what, ma? That means ADH, vasopressin, and the antidiuretic hormone, and oxytocin. We'll be discussing about afternoon class. Okay, na? Thank you very much. Today the time class is completed. So this is Krishna, your Krishna Sir Zoology, H4 of Zoology. Okay, this is signing off. Thank you very much for your kindly supporting all of you.